So, out of you, time is ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be doing a length check video. I have been natural for about 3 years and a couple of months. I think June 15th, on the 15th of June will make me 4 years of being natural. So I decided to do a length check video just to see how far I have come, and I am super excited as to how long my hair is. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Guys, that is the length of my hair. I don't know what to call the front hair. I don't know what length that is, but it's pretty. It's like somewhere here, and the side of my hair is my armpit length, and the back of my hair is my brush strap length. So I think I've done pretty well in almost 4 years. I can't wait to, like, you know, achieve the waist length by God's grace. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.